Welcome back. Now we are going to do the third subsection of the second numerical in the second exercise of real numbers. Question is, find LCM and HCF of 336 and 54 and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So how to find LCM? To find LCM, it is the product of the greatest power of prime factors. Product of the greatest power of prime factors. And for HCF, it is product of the smallest power of common prime factors. So for LCM, you have to take all the prime factors, and if they are common, choose the greatest power. For HCF, first you have to choose only the common prime factors, and in the common prime factors, you have to find the product of the smallest power. That's how you have to find. So we have to express them in prime factors, basically. So I'll express 336 first. 336, easiest is 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Then 2. 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12. So it becomes 56. Again 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 eights are. Again 2. 2 14s are 7. 7 twos are. 2 ones are. So which means I can express 336. 336 is equal to 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4 into 7. 3 into 2 power 4 into 7. That is 336. Now I will express 54. So 54. Again, easiest one is 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 sevens are 14. Again, 3. 3 nines are 27. Again, 3. 3 threes are 9. Again, 3. 3 ones are. So I can write 54 as 2 into 3 power 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 into 3 power 3. This is how I can express them. Now I can write the LCM and I can write the HCF. What is the LCM? LCM. LCM is product of all the greatest power. First you take the uncommon terms. Uncommon terms is only 7. So 7 into common terms, greatest power you have to take. So here 2 power 1, 2 power 4. So you have to choose greater power, 2 power 4 into 3 and 3 power 3. You must choose 3 power 3. So this is 7 into 2 power 4 is 16. 3 power 3 is 27. So 7 into 16 into 27. This is my LCM. Start multiplying them. 16 into 7. 7 sixes are 42. 7 ones are 7 plus 4, 111. So 112 into 27. Again 7 twos are 14. Carry over 1. 7 ones are 7, 8. 7 ones are 7 into 4, 2, 2. This is 4, 8 plus 4, 12. Carry over 1. This is 10, 3024. This is the LCM. 3024 is the LCM. HCF, product of the common terms. Which are the common terms? 2 and 3. But the smallest power. So here's 2 power 4, here it is 2. So you must choose 2. 3 power 3 and 3, you must choose 3. 2 into 3, 6. HCF is 6. So we got LCM and we got HCF. LCM was 3020. HCF is 6. Now we'll find the product. LCM into HCF. That is 3024 into 6. Multiply 6 fours are 24. Carry over 2. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Carry over 1. 6 threes are 18. 18144. 336 into 54 now. Check this now. 336 into 54. 4 sixes are 24. Carry over 2. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. carry over 1. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 into 5 6s are 30, carry over 3. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18, carry over 1. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16. So this is 4, this is 4. 8 plus 3 is 11, 6, 7, 8, 1, 1, 8, 1, 4, 4. Exactly the same. Therefore, LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. Product of the two numbers. So to find LCM, what you have to do, take all the uncommon terms, and from the common terms, you have to choose the greatest part, multiply them. To find the HCF, what you have to do, take only the common terms, and in the common terms, you have to find the product of the smallest part. So choose only the smallest part, which means basically you have to express them in terms of prime factors. So 336 divided by 3, easy, 112. 112 divided by 2, 56. 56 divided by 2, 28. 28 divided by 2, 14. 14, 7 you can use. 7 twos are 14. 2 ones are 2. So 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4 into 3 into 7. That is 336 expressed in the form of prime factors. Then 54. 2 you take 27. 3, 3 nines are 27. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are. So there are 3 threes. So 3 power 3 into 2. Now what is LCM? Take the uncommon terms. 7 is the only uncommon term. Among the common terms, 2 is common, highest power 2 power 4. 3 is common, highest power 3 power 3. So you have 7 into 16 into 27, which is 3024. HCF, take the product of common, which is common here 2 and 3. Smallest power is 2 and 3. So 2 into 3, which is 6. LCM into HCF, 3024 into 6, 18144. 336 into 54, again 18144, which means LCM into HCF is the product of the two numbers.